Okay, coming to the document editing agent, which is one of the main agent we have here. Uh, Here we are logged in with the test account one. Let's make another account here. Mm, Username, let's say Snan Ali test 3, and the email would be +3, and then here is the password, and here is the test account 3 or 2, let's call it 2, and create the account. We are successfully registered, and let's test it now to login. And oh, this is also one, this is also one. I guess I logged in with the wrong one. That was 3, I guess. Yep, that was 3. Perfect. Now here we can see that everything is good, everything is looking same. Let's create one document from test account 1. It is test account 2. Here are no documents. Let's make that for uh, test account 1 private document, uh, and create it. Test account 1 private. This account should not be able to see the same document. Yep, that is working because this is private one. This is my private document. And if we save it, if we save it, uh, version 1, so this is saved. Now in the history we have the version 1. This was the initial document creation. So, and now let's test another one. Test account Test account 1 public document, and make this public and create the document. Here we should be able to see the document. Yep, that is working. And here it is also working fine. So yep, now let's test the changes in public document, and here we should be able to see. Yep, that is working fine, and we can see that one another collaborator is working on this. If we see the collaborator, so test account 1 is the only collaborator, because we have not changed anything yet from here. We are changing only here. We can change from here. So I'm account 2, and we should be getting that, and we are account 2, and here we can see that another collaborator is working on this too. And if we see the collaboration, so account 1 and account 2, these both are working on the same document. And here we can see that I have opened the document here, so I am working live here. Now how each and everything works in the background, let's check the routes. And in the routes we would use this endpoint, which is the create document, and for creation we need the authentication. So if we are not authenticated, we cannot create the document. It would not allow the creation. And here we have the broker. So broker again comes the main part, and we are using the document create here. And after that we are waiting for the broker to create the document and do each and everything here. So after that comes the document agent. Let's explore this one, which is one of the main thing. So we can create the document, we can read the document, we can update the document, we can delete the document, we can list all of the documents, and we can collaborate in the document, and we can track the changes of the document, which we just saw in the video. And we are registering all of the handlers here. So on creation, what we are doing, we are saving that on the basis of the user id, the title, content, and that is public or private. If that is public, so each and everyone should be able to see that. If that is private, so only the creator can see that. And where we are handling all of those things, that is the work of the message broker to broadcast all of the all of the messages and all of the things depending on the public um, and the private flag that we are using here. So and each and everything, this is one of the main thing that we are using the async session. We should not be blocking any thread to so that each and everyone can work seamlessly on the document. So this is how we create the document. We can handle the reading of the document, that what is the document ID, uh, we are and what is the user ID, that who is actually changing all of the characters in the document, so we can track uh, in a good shape that this user is you have like changed these much in this specific document. There would be like if we see here, so these are other users. If I do some changes like 1 2 3, so uh, I should be a collaborator here. We can see the versions here, and if we go to the collaborator, so yep, I am now the collaborator in this document, which is the test2 and was created by someone else, but that is for public, so I can use that. And apart from that, what we else can do, we can update the document. Again, depends on the private and the public document. If that is for public, so we can do those things too. We can delete the document, but that is not the capability right now. I have not added the delete button, but that is added here, so we can test that in the test cases. I have added those test cases here, but not for the front end, because the front end was just for the demo. And we can handle the list of the document to list all of the documents, and we would include only public document here in the list for each and everybody. And we can handle the collaborator, that who are the collaborators for the document, so and what they are doing, like they are joining, they are doing some work, and we are actually tracking the cursor position there, that where is this collaborator working on, like here the cursor is here, or here as we do in the Google documents, but this is the simple HTML, so we are not tracking that right now. So this is all of the work that we are doing for the document agent, and here how we are seeing each and everything in the like live. So that is the WebSockets that we are using here. The WebSocket would broadcast the message and all of those things, so we can track the live collaboration and work. That is all for document agent here.